Hi guys, today I'd like to talk briefly about developing unique value-oriented personal identity. No doubt about the fact that developing self or personal identity has a major role to play when it comes to attaining success generally in life. Though we live in a society whereby developing unique value-oriented personal identity has often been subjected to relegations. And those people often easily live by other people's identity and in most instances live by societal identity. So today I would like to talk briefly or share information briefly on how best to develop unique value-oriented personal identity. And thus how best you can utilize those identity to position yourself in the path of sustainable success path. When it comes to identity generally, it is important to understand that forming an identity has a major role to play on who you are as a person, on the success you attain in any categories of life. Success identity can as well be summarized as a function of self-identity. In instances when there are no value-oriented self-identity or personal identity being formed, most success identity are often being subjected to randomness. And no doubt about the fact that as individuals, no one love his or her success identity being subjected to randomness. That's one of the main reasons why it is important to develop a unique value-oriented self-identity. When it comes to identity, you need to understand that identity is simply an unadulterated representation of who you are as a person. So this briefly summarizes the dictionary definition of who you are as individuality, as a person. Take for instance, there is an online dictionary where people can always check their identity. And your name is being slotted into such website and the information that are being displayed in relation to your identity. In one way or the other, you'd like to check if, I mean, if it's been checked, you realize there are people who wouldn't like to associate themselves with the identity which they project out there, or the identity which does that dictionary actually give. So the reasons behind that is because they've actually not been living their own, they've not been able to develop or determine their own unique value-oriented personal identity. They've actually been living by other people's identity. So first thing you need to understand is identity has a major role to play when it comes to attaining success in any categories of life. So you want to ask yourself, what identity have you actually been living on? Have you been living on your own carved out personal identity? Or perhaps you've been living by other people's identity. So you want to as well do a little bit of an inward scrutiny and see how best you can form your own unique value-oriented personal identity. One thing about unique value-oriented personal identity is the fact that it often positions people on the path towards primary success. And when you talk of primary success, these are success that can be sustained over the long period of time. These are sources that aren't subjected to sabotage. Unlike secondary sources in which doesn't sustain or doesn't stand the test of time, primary sources stands the test of time and as well help in achieving a lot of goals as well as purpose in life. There are instances in which people often like, okay, they've actually not been able to sustain their success or they've actually not been able to manage their success successfully. And the reasons or the rationales behind that isn't far-fetched. In most instances, they really don't have a unique identity. And having a unique identity has a major role to play when it comes to um, personal or when it comes to success identity in general. So first you need to ask yourself, what are the factors that would affect my identity and see how best you can utilize those factors towards you attaining your success or desired success, which is, I want to believe, the primary success which often stands the test of time. And when it comes to developing a unique personal identity, it is important for you to understand the identity determinants. The identity determinants are categorized into two sections. We have the intrinsic identity determinant, we have the extrinsic identity determinant. And when it comes to intrinsic identity determinants, these are determinants or these are factors which are within your controls. And when it comes to extrinsic identity determinants, these are factors which are outside your control. So first you want to ask yourself, how would I love to be um, identified, or how would I love to be represented? What would you want your self identity to be like? So you could just take your time, perhaps this weekend or perhaps in the coming days, and sit quietly and develop your own, carve out your own unique personal identity, which is value oriented. And thus, you want to ask yourself as well, what are the intrinsic identity determinants which I need to as well utilize towards attaining my unique value oriented personal identity? You as well want to ask yourself, what are those extrinsic identity determinants which could, in one way or the other, affect my personal identity? And you want to see how best you work. You utilize those factors towards developing your own unique identity. No doubt about the fact that when you carve out a unique value oriented personal identity, you would benefit from it not only momentarily but over the long period of time. Because one thing you will be doing is first, you will be positioning yourself towards a path of primary success in life, which would as well be sustainable, and as well you would record a lot of success along the way. So thank you so much. I hope you find this short video very interesting. Should you have any question, just drop down your question. I'll be glad to respond within the shortest time interval.